No, don't do it yet. Okay, I want you to go ahead and discuss, let's go like kind of groups of 4, so you're short in front of people behind you. Groups of 4/3/5. Go ahead and discuss what are kind of the big ideas. How could we go about solving or proving this one that the triangles are similar? Remember, we have 3 methods for proving triangles similar. Angle, angle, side, angle, side, 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 side. Angle, R.
You can also do corresponding.
Alright, let's go ahead and talk about this. So they gave to us that RM and SN are parallel. Alright, so we have this set of parallel lines, and then we have 2 sets of perpendicular. So they told us that RM is perpendicular to NS, and the SN is perpendicular to NT. Alright, so it's actually quite a bit of information. Now, just like always, let's go ahead and translate this information, make markings on our diagram appropriate. So we have RM is parallel to SN. We've already got that marked onto our diagram. Let's take a look at the perpendicular. So it says RM is perpendicular to MS, and SN is perpendicular to NT. So putting those markings on our picture, what else could we say about our picture? How can we translate those statements?
All right angles are square.
And so we need some right angles. Justin?
Use corresponding angles.
We can use corresponding, but let's focus right now on this. So we need, before we say all right angles are here, we need right angles. Nikki?
You have to say that the definition of the perpendicular lines means that they are 2 right.
Very good. Now, can I say angle M and angle N?
Yes.
Yeah, those are the only angles happening there. So I'm going to go ahead and say angle M is a right angle.
You can also do it the bigger way, right?
The longer way? Yeah. You have to start off by saying that it's a right angle then. So angle M is a right angle N is a right angle. And as Nikki said, that is definition of perpendicular lines. It is pretty much what you said, Vernon, but we need this first before we can say what you said.
No, but she didn't know what to say.
Yeah, sure you did, Brendan.
We have to start off by saying that the triangle or the angles are right angles, and then the angles themselves are. Okay. So now remember, we're trying to head toward one of these methods. The fact that we don't have any numbers on our picture probably indicates that we're probably going to have to use that first one. So we need our angles congruent, right? Our angles need to be congruent.
Yes.
Angle N is congruent to angle N. And Brendan, what was our reasoning for that? Good. All right angles are congruent, or the right angle congruence theorem. Whichever one you prefer to write. Right angle congruence theorem. And SUT said if you don't remember that theorem, you can next say definition of right angles, they're 90 degrees, 90 degrees equals each other, thus the measures are equal, thus they're congruent. You can do that if you forget the right angles. Alright, so we've got one set of congruent angles. Now who said something about parallel lines? Alec, was that you? No. Yes. Who said parallel lines?
Yes, good. Oh yeah.
Justin. Justin, what can we do with our parallel lines?
You can get corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles. Good. Which angles are going to be corresponding?
Angle NST and angle NRS.
Good. So we have angle NST, this guy, is congruent to angle NRS.
Could you teach us what angle
Since it goes like this, since it extends out, there's technically two angles there, so we want to go ahead and use some green letters for it. So we have that these are congruent, and what's our reasoning for that? Corresponding angles postulated. Converse or original? Original. Okay, so now we have two sets of angles congruent. Now we can say the figures are similar. So we can say triangle, make sure you get the letters in the correct order, RSN. Make sure it always matches up with the proof, similar to triangle STN. And what's our reasoning for that? Good. Angle, similarity postulate. So, again, similar information as before. We're still using parallel lines. We still have vertical angles we can use. We still have perpendicular lines I can use. Okay, I have 2 dates to hand out to you. What's your homework for tonight? Worksheet 3. And passing out worksheet 3 to you. I also have for you your extra credit towards the quiz category for quarter 2.
Whoa. Then we took a lot of extra. It wasn't wrong. So, I said,
Alright guys, listen up please. Is there anyone that did not get the homework? I need you guys to stop talking and listen up. Alright, I have for you the extra credit opportunity towards the quiz category. This is due for you December 11th. Okay, so you have about a week to complete it.
We need to do this sooner than later.
Yes.
You want to do it tomorrow?
Let's do Thursday. Okay, I'll do that.
Is there enough extra credit?
Oh wait, guys, I was supposed to test tonight,
Oh, Brendan's still going to Have a good day, guys. You can't ask me questions on the quiz until everyone's taken it.